Weatheradio Canada is dead. As of March 16th, 2026, the analog mono FM broadcast service has been reduced to a loop, explaining that the service has been shuttered. I am upset by this, but not because I believe we should continue having governments use analog FM radio for weather information. There are ways to preserve the ability to receive broadcasts of weather information without an internet connection that would be modern and accessible on devices we already use. Not staticky analog radio, and not necessarily requiring external radios. What I am upset with is that the Canadian government doesn't have a replacement technology in the works, using a technology such as 3GPP LTE-based 5G broadcast. I believe it is critical that we preserve the process of broadcasting critical weather information, but using modern over-the-air broadcast technology. As of March 17th, the day I'm recording this, my local Weatheradio Canada broadcast, which is less than 27 miles away from me, VAD 320, was still on the air with a loop explaining the shutdown. I don't know for how much longer this is going to last, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. What's funny is I'm an American, and VAD 320 is the closest weather radio transmitter to my location in the US. The closest NOAA weather radio location is over 37 miles away. Anyway, here's the recording of VAD 320 from Niagara Region, Ontario.
This is Weatheradio Canada, station VAD 320, broadcasting from Niagara on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. This service is operated by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Comments should be directed to 1-877-789-7733. The current time is Tuesday, March 17th, 2026, 7:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Prenez notre téléservice Radio Météo et Bonjour Météo ne sont plus en service. La prévision maritime est disponible via le système radio de la garde côtière canadienne. Visitez canada.ca/météo ou téléchargez l'application mobile Météo-Can pour obtenir votre information météorologique locale. Please note that Weather Radio and HelloWeather are no longer in service. A radio marine forecast is available via the Canadian Coast Guard. Visit canada.ca/weather or download the WeatherCan mobile application for your local weather information.